おやおや Is that Mozart that I hear? Sounds like boss music, but it's Mozart. Okay. Open the curtains! Oh, dear God, I'm so close, and you weren't really supposed to see that. Whoops! You didn't get spoiled at all. Okay. Well, we're starting off with my beautiful shoes and feet. Mozart is popping off! Mozart is one of my countrymen, a good buddy. We're good friends. He's not alive anymore, but I'm eternal, so I was alive when he was alive. Anyway, so we have red shoes with golden ornaments. Naruhodo. And we have black tights that look kind of sheer. I see a star pattern. You see that too? It's kind of faint, but it is there. Okay, higher. Ooh, that's the stuff that was poking out on the side, isn't it? Wow. It looks really cool, really edgy. かっこいいね。なんだろう、金のやつ。かっこいいアクセサリー。Gold wrapped around my legs. Fancy! Okay, let's go higher. Oh, how long are those legs? How long are those? Oh! I see ruffles and I see the seam. Is it a seam of the tights? Oh. 見えそうで見えない。Oh, and it seems like the dress is overall in that beautiful, gorgeous red color. Ooh. Nice, beautiful fabric. Looks very smooth and soft. Oh. Nice hips, right? Okay. Oh. Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? What was that? What's that color? あれ髪染めた？あれ The hair looks so fluffy, like clouds. 雲みたい髪が。And we see it is like it's wings wrapped around my upper arms, like those shawls or whatever, stoles or whatever. But instead of fur, we have wings, blue wings. Nice contrast color. Wow. It looks like a phoenix on my neckline. Golden phoenix. Mozart, come on, pop off one more time. I know you can do it. Oh! Hello! It is me! Mature Kiara, the Empress, the Majestic Phoenix! Yatta! I can do this. And I can do this. I can also, if I want a pacifier, I just put on a pacifier. I can do this. I can also do only this one, or I can only do this one. I love that hair accessory though. I never want to take it off. It's so gorgeous. In theory, I could even do this. Or this. これもできるからな。I do have a mask.